issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, south central Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Canadaville, or 14 miles southeast of Aberdeen Proving Ground, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Millington, Sutherlandsville, Boardman, Delaney Corner, Massey, Crumpton, Canadaville, Galena, Henderson, Meridian, Champlain, and Barclay. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.